Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Flash Custom Transfers, brought to you by Straight Outta Content, or vice versa, however you want to say it. Guys, today's video is going to be a doozy. A lot of people are going to get upset. I'm going to shake up the industry with this video right here. Guys, listen, in this video, I'm not doing these numbers, right? Lately, I've been doing this business series. So today is technically going to be Basic Business. Basic stands for, it's an acronym that I came up with. It stands for Business, Automotive, Sports, Investing, and Creating. And that's what we cover here on the channel. So today's Basic Business video, part 3, is about the difference between DTF and other companies like Supacolor. I will do another in screen print transfers. So they do screen print transfers, TKO, they do screen print transfers, we do DTF. So I'm gonna show you, just using our business, our numbers, how much it costs a transfer to you, shipped to your door, or now we have local free pickup right over here at our local UPS. You can go pick up, if you live in our area, go pick up your transfer for free. 21 bucks after taxes, you can go pick up your transfer, 22 by 24. I'm gonna show you guys, as I did in the past, with how much money you're gonna make off shirts, how much money you're gonna make if you flip our sheets. And now I'm gonna show you guys the difference between our 22 by 24 inch gang sheets, our true gang sheet, versus the competition. This is in no way disrespect. If you are in an area that has, you know, like if you're in an area and it's cost effective to go to these other companies, by all means do. Do whatever works best for your business or for your pockets. All I'm doing is just creating contrast and information. So please don't get all in the comments, don't get all your underwears in a bunch and get all in the comments. Why you always talk about Supacolor? Why you always talk about these other companies? No. We're not talking about anybody in a negative way. All I'm doing here is just going over the facts and the numbers of our gang sheets versus the competition, and how you get more bang for your buck from us and the way that we run our business versus the competition. So let's go ahead, let's get into the video. I'm gonna jump into my computer and I'm gonna pull it up, and you guys are gonna see everything that's going on while I take you through it. And we're gonna go through some numbers and show you guys the difference. I'm gonna also pull up a artboard in AI. So let's go ahead, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we are here. I'm here at Heat Transfer Warehouse. This is a common place where you can come and get Supacolor transfers, one of the top places where you can come. I actually have some stuff in here in the cart because I was testing everything out before I did this video, because I like to, if I'm gonna do a video, I wanna do my research first so that I have 100% knowledge, and I'm not just out here just spewing just random things. So if you guys do not know, our product is $19.99. $19.99 for a 22 by 24 inch transfer. Let's see if we have that right here. So this right here, this right here, let's move all this. This is just some examples that I was doing, but we're just gonna move all this right here. This right here is the size of our transfer. Let's make this whiteboard white, okay? So this is the size of our transfer, 22 by 24. 22 inches this way. Let me pull up the rulers. We're gonna go here to view, and we're gonna go down to rulers, and we're gonna show rulers, boom. See, 22 inches by 24. Boom, perfect, right? We'll do this over here too. Oh, it's already showing. So their gang sheets, if we go back over to them, their gang sheets are 11.7 by 16.5. So all I'm doing in this video is just showing you guys the differences of how you can, with the same logo, how you will be able to get more from us at a lower price, thus giving you more profit in your margins, more opportunity to have profit in your margins if you go with us. I mean, you can go with other people, but this is why DTF is really taking over, and why we are doing our best to be the leaders of DTF, right? There's different types of sodas out there, but Pepsi and Coke are the leaders because of how they market and explain to you how their product tastes and works. So again, this right here, this is our gang sheet. So if I were to take this right here, this image right here, these are the images that you can get with our gang sheet. This right here is 22 by 24. Each one of these images is about 10 inches wide. I like to do, in fact, you guys just seen the video where, well, if you haven't seen the video, make sure you go check it out. I do, on the website, we have all of these images right here for sale on the website, also for download. Not to share the content, but the other 3 images we have right here for download. Go and download them from free and make your own merch, or you can help the channel by purchasing the merch, and then I personally, me and Shelly personally, make the merch and send it to you. And we know that mental health is a very serious thing. It's something that we deal with every day in our family and in our lives, and we just want to bring awareness to that. So I've made this shirt right here, and if you get it, this shirt is going to be at least 10 inches wide, especially if it's an extra large, maybe a little smaller if it's a small. Unfortunately, if you were to create the same image, and again, mind you, you haven't purchased anything yet. I'm no different than you. I'm just a normal customer, and I'm like, listen, I just downloaded this free image and I want to create a shirt. Which company should I use to create the shirt with? Which company should I use to create multiple shirts with? Well, unfortunately, with the limitations of Supacolor's gang sheets, the limitations, right? They only limit you to 11.7 wide. 11.7 wide. So our gang sheets are 22 inches wide. So I can do way more for way less. 22 inches wide, I can put as many of these images on here that I want. I can put as many of these images on here that I want with no limitations. If I'm using a Supacolor gang sheet, I'm limited. If we come in here and change this to 10, is that 9.2, right? It's at 9.2. I got that from their website, but if I come in here and put this up to 10, I'm only able to fit two 10 inches. Let's delete this, copy, paste, boom. I'm only able to fit 2. That's it. I'm only able to fit 2 on their gang sheet. And don't forget, with their gang sheets, you have to order a minimum of 10. A minimum of 10. And unfortunately, if you get 10 of these, you can't get like 2 that have crush on them and then another one. So we'll come over here, we're gonna go to new, and we're gonna go to, they are the 11.7, 16.5, right? So say we create another one. I can't come in here and then add, let's say, where's a flat? Let me pick a cool design that I have in here. I can't come in here and then add a Beetlejuice. I mean, I can add it. Oh, let's not do that. There we go, 10 by 9, right? I can't have one sheet. If I have to order 10 at a minimum, 10 at a minimum. With Supacolor, you can't have your first sheet or 2 sheets or 3 sheets as the crushes and then split it and then have the rest of the sheets be Beetlejuices, which at 10 by 9, you can't fit 2 on one gang sheet. It's just impossible, you can't do it. So that's the limitations. Again, I'm not doing this video to crap on any company. All I can do is just show you the differences whenever you're purchasing or whenever you're looking for a full color transfer. It's just the truth. These are just the facts. If I come over here and I delete this buddy right here and I want to take this Beetlejuice image and I want to add, and I got 4 shirts I need to make at 10 inches a pop, you know, I'm super limited. I mean, I'm not limited at all. I can copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. And I can fit 4 easy with room to spare versus doing it over here, I've only got 1. And I'm forced to pay for 10 of them. So your initial investment, if you get, and this is the reason why Supacolor didn't release their gang sheet until March 1st. I can pull it up, Okay, so right here, March 1st, 2022, right? Flash Custom Transfers has been out since 2019. growing, putting out I forgot when our oldest video is whenever we're talking about our transfers. But right here, if you type in Super Gang Sheet release date, Supacolor, the Super Gang transfer is available March 1st. That's the reason why way back in January, February, or October of last year, October of 2020, yeah, because we went into 2021. All 2021, you see us talking about our transfers and stuff like that. So they didn't come out with a gang sheet until March 1st of this year, of this calendar year. Their gang sheet product is new. DTF gang sheet has been around for a very long time, and we've been optimizing it month after month after month after month to continue to get better and better and make it more efficient for you guys and adjust the prices and stuff like that. So whenever I talk about their gang sheet and saying it's not a true gang sheet, unfortunately, it is not, right? Especially if there's been a product out there with the term gang sheet way before them. They just jumped on the bandwagon because DTF has really exploded in the market. There hasn't been anybody on YouTube, though, who has taken over or created a name for themselves, unlike Flash Custom Transfers. And I use my platform, Straight Outta Content, to do that. So once we combined and we started using Straight Outta Content's platform to expand the business of Flash Custom Transfers, it really took off. And then March 1st, they released their gang sheet. Now, whether or not they had plans to do that or not, I don't know. All I know is that they did it after. They were not the first. We were the first ones, and we're still the first ones to create a sublimation gang sheet. That belongs to Flash Custom Transfers. We are the first ones out there to create a sublimation gang sheet for only $14.99. So not only can you get a DTF gang sheet for $19.99 from us, plus tax and shipping, no shipping if you go pick up locally here in the Houston area, but you can also get a sublimation gang sheet. So the same process, you get it, you order it for $14.99 plus taxes, again, free pickup if you are in the Houston area. You cut out the image, press it onto your shirt, make sure that it's white and make sure that it's polyester. But we provide those products. And we provide those products so that you can have like I said before, so that you can have the best profit margins for your business and not come out of pocket. The biggest business tip that I'm gonna give to you guys is to keep your liquidity. You wanna keep as much capital as possible. If you can work out a smart debt, do that. If you can make the same product for less, do that. And you can do that with using Flash Custom Transfers, DTF and sublimation transfers. You can do that. Your initial, especially if you pick it up. So we'll just say if you are able to pick up transfers from Supacolor, you're gonna pay $120.80 plus taxes. But that's gonna be 10 gang sheets, right? 10 gang sheets of the same image. So even if I make this right, this is 10 by 6, I think this is a little bit too wide. This needs to be like 8, yeah, right? To make it more proportioned. But it doesn't matter. Even if I'm able to fit 5, 6, 7 of these on here, I still am forced to get 10 of them. With our gang sheets, I can get a sheet of this and I can create another gang sheet. So like our buy 5, get 1 free sale, right? Buy 5, get 1 free. It's $100. So it's $99, free shipping $100. So it's less than this. You get 5 sheets of this size, and they can be all different sheets. You're not forced to order 5 sheets of one logo like you are with all these other screen print transfers. The same thing applies to TKO as well. If you order from TKO, I think their sheet size is a little bigger, but again, and their minimums are a little smaller. They have and I'll just touch on this real quick, TKO, and I'm gonna do a full video on TKO, but TKO has a minimum of 6. But look, that's $200.28 out of pocket that you have to pay up front. Again, that'll be for another day. So I just want to really touch on that in this quick video. Again, it's not that long. Most of my videos are like 30 minutes. I did a live the other day and said, hey, should I make my video shorter? So maybe the shorter videos will kind of get out there faster. So that's just the difference between our transfers right here, our transfers, and look how much room I have. I can copy this, boom, paste, shrink this down to left pocket size 3 by 3. or a 3x2, and I can fit a bunch of these all in here. With this one over here, I can't do that. I'm limited to one. And that's why they force you to buy that many transfers. So you're bang for your buck, Flash Custom Transfers. Now again, if you're loyal to another company, that's totally 100% fine. Do whatever. And if ordering like this is best for you, then please do that. Do whatever is best for your business. That's why this is called Basic Business Episode 3. Do whatever is best for your business, for your pocketbook, for your wallet, for whatever type of, wherever you keep your money in the bank, whatever. Whatever makes you the most profit and spend the least, do that. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I could have got into the difference of numbers and stuff like that, but it looks like I handled it pretty well. If you guys have any questions, please leave all of them down below. Remember, you can purchase our transfers, Flash Custom Transfers, $19.99, free shipping if it's over 99 bucks. So if you purchase a buy 5, get 1 free, you're gonna get free shipping, shipped to your door, right to your door, free ship, and each gang sheet can be a different image. That's the way that we're leading. We don't like limitations here at Flash Custom Transfers. We looked at the landscape of all the other companies of what we couldn't get done there, and we made sure that we allowed you guys to have a lot more flexibility and freedom in your ordering process. And then we also wanted to drop our price so that this way, if you order from us, even if you have it shipped to your door, it's only $34.62, not $120.80, plus taxes, plus shipping. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this video. Stay tuned for the next one. It's gonna be the difference between Flash Custom Transfers. Well, let me go ahead and do my thumbnail. The difference between Flash Custom Transfers and TKO sales, or TKO transfers. And then the next one is gonna be Flash Custom Transfers and TKO transfers. So, thank you guys. Be basic. Peace.